Hey there! Welcome! This video presents the Call Records List report. In this report, you can view, filter, and download extensive data related to all the calls made within the dialer. We will show you how to generate and download reports, listen to and share the call recording, operate the audio player, and check call attributes. To run the report, in the dialer's main menu, click Reports and select Call Records List. If there were any calls on the current day, you'll see them by default. Apply one or more filters at the top to extract specific data. Please mind that to get data for calls outside campaigns, like manual or incoming calls, you need to select these options as well. Expand the advanced search for more options, including call attributes such as whisper, call transcription, or others. Click Configure Columns to hide or show columns, and set their order in the table. If you see no option to configure columns, contact the support team who can enable it for you. After you click Search, the report table will be updated. Above the table, you can view the summary call statistics for the current day. Visit the Doc Portal article for the description of each parameter. For example, related to displays the customer's name. You can click it to visit the leads page. Caller user is the agent's name. To play a call recording or download it, go to the Listen column. In the audio player, the waveform lets you preview the audio for both sides, or split it between the callee and the caller. You can navigate the recording using intuitive controls, pause the audio, change volume, or modify the playback speed. If a call includes attributes, you can view extended data about what occurred during the call. This information is also accessible via the attribute icons in the status column. Now, we'll walk you through each attribute and the available controls. The AMD attribute tells you if the voicemail detection recognized the speaker as a human or as a machine. Click the conference icon to see when third-party participants joined or left the call, and the duration of each participant's speaking time. If the call was redirected to a third party, skip to the moment when the transfer started. View the destination number, the transferred call cost, and the duration of the original and transferred calls. To learn more about other call attributes, check out the article on our Docs portal using the link in the description. Besides, you can easily share the recording with anyone outside the dialer. Click on the icon in the status column for the required call record and copy the link. Then send the link to the needed person. All they have to do is just paste it into the address bar in their browser, and the recording will be played or downloaded depending on the settings. To share the recording, make sure to whitelist the recipient's IP address so they can access it. The linked video shows how to whitelist the IPs in the Access Control Lists tab of General Settings. To save the report data into a file, click Export to, then select a file format. The report output will appear in task logs in the report section with a link to download it. Thank you for watching, and good luck!